Emerson makes it easy for engineers to download 3D models of the Appleton products they need, right from the website. Here's how to find and use the Emerson configurator, using the Plex Power panel boards as an example. From Emerson's homepage, navigate to the product you need. For the Plex Power panel boards, hover over Automation Solutions, then Electrical Components and Lighting, and then click Distribution Equipment. Click Panel Boards, and then scroll to the product you want. You can also use the search bar at the top to quickly navigate to the product page. On the product page, click View Drawing to configure the product and download 3D models. Here you can use the drop-down options to customize your product specifications. Meanwhile, the configurator generates the accurate part number of the product. On the right, you can move, zoom, and rotate the part within the 3D viewer to see the design in up-close detail and preview the dimensional drawing. To download a 3D model, click the CAD Download tab. Here you can choose to download a 3D PDF datasheet, which includes product specifications and a 3D viewer. Let's download a native CAD file. Click Add Formats, then choose from over 100 file formats and versions so you get a model that works natively in your CAD software. Next, click Start Generation. Emerson is always adding more 3D models for engineers to download. Visit emerson.com to see what's new, and check out partsolutions.com to learn more about online configurators and native CAD downloads.